Are you an introvert seeking a fulfilling career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further, I've compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So all you have to do is open your web browser and dive in these 5 websites. So first of all, we have Promos.com, then Fairfiction.com, Surveytime.io, MetroOpen.com and Open.com. The first one we have Promote. This is the homepage as you can see. First of all, you can select the language you want. We have your blog, help center, contact support, join the community. And in the middle of the home, we have here earn money, make an impact, share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. Then here we have how it works. First of all, you have to create an account. As you can see, download our app on iOS or Android for free and create an account using your email address to join the Promise contributor community. Then we have here explore our tasks, browse our task marketplace and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Then finally we have get paid. Choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer or Bitcoin depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is how it works and Promos. So all I have to do is start earning money with it. Then we have Fairfiction. This is the homepage. We have your various information like phone number if you want to ask about something and also email. And here we have our services. We have our services as you can see here. We have also methods, customers also, resources, and here we have login if you want to find your account as you can see. So then we have here choose the language here and we have here various information like research consulting for your research and user testing anywhere in the world. If we scroll down, we have here your UX research in a few days, qualitative and or quantitative study with support according to your needs. First you write and recite, then conduct study and recommend. Here we have also user experience, benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, UX design, so all of that. Then you download our latest white papers. So here we have access to white papers. We like Lacoste, Credit Agricole, Pike Telecom Enterprise, and here we have our full demo in video. You have just to click on the one you want. First we have platform overview, user feedback, analysis, or UX recommendation, and know more about it. Then here we have our UX research and testing methodologies. First we have individual interview, focus group, a quantitative survey, and remote user test. Then we have here using remote testing via our user research platform. We can listen to users anywhere in the world. Then we have here our technology and expertise for UX projects. First, we have here a unique UX research platform available in 8 languages, and we have a team of experts in UX research and UX design. So here we have various information about Fairfiction. You can just read it and more understand about Fairfiction. The third one we have survey time. In the left here we have get instantly rewarded for every survey you complete. In the right we have how to sign up and you can select the language you want. So you can use Google, Facebook or your email. Here we have how does survey time work. First, if you are looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you have reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. First, you have to sign up for survey time for free, then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, and finally start earning cash for surveys. For each survey complete, you get an instant money reward. So why should I use survey time? Here we have some benefits of survey time. First, low withdrawal, threshold surveys for you, never miss a new survey, bonus reward amount, then choose your reward, and finally we have survey time is global. Then we have finally survey time, important note, where you take free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. So you click over here and start sign up. The fourth one we have here Metro Opinion. paid surveys, earn money online, work from home, get up to $5 for each survey, safe and easy payment. So first of all, you have to choose two country. So we have our first countries here. We have first Europe, as you can see, Oceania, Australia or New Zealand. You have Africa also, like Morocco, like Malawi, Libya and South Africa, Zimbabwe, Algeria also. We have then Asia here, North America and South of America. So this is for how to choose the country. Then we have how to earn with paid surveys and 3 easy steps. First, you have to sign up. Everyone can join. It's easy to sign up and it only takes 30 seconds. Then we have here answer. You will be invited to surveys via email. Answer honestly. Honestly, your answers are anonymous. Then finally you get paid when you reach the payment threshold. You can get paid with one click. Then here we have what our users say about us. First, earn money online. It is easy with Metro Opinion, as you can see. Then we have here payment for surveys is easy, PayPal and Voci, and finally donations. Sorry. Then we have here work from home by doing surveys. How much can you earn by working from home? You can just read the answer and know more about it. Then how to earn money on surveys. It's easy to join Metro Opinion and start to earn money on surveys. You can join for free and our service remains free. The only thing you need is an internet connection. You need to be online to do paid surveys. For payments, you will need a PayPal account registered with the same email as your Metro Opinion account. To earn the most money, you need to fill out as much information about yourself as possible. You can do this when you are logged into Metro Opinion. This makes it easier for us to pick the best service for you. First, we have your site or online part-time job. Easy job for students to earn money and additional income for the elderly. Then we have finally here the best paid service, and here we have sign up and start earning, and here we have two countries. The last one we have here Appen, as you can see. So Appen has been providing high quality datasets that power the world's leading AI models for decades. Our end-to-end platform, flexible services and deep expertise ensure the delivery of the high quality diverse data that is crucial for building foundation models and enterprise ready AI application. Then if we scroll down, we have here first information like Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. And here we have a cycle how it works: create the race data, then prepare usable training data, then develop and deploy your models, and finally evaluate model performance. So then we have here why choose Appen. So here we have some benefits of Appen. First, we have expertise, skill, quality, flexibility, and innovation. So this is it for Appen also. And also here, if you want to get started and sign up, all you have to do is click over here and sign up. Get started. Sorry. Then we have the resources, platform also, foundation models, AI data, and optimize LLMs. So this is it for these 5 jobs, as you can see. These jobs not only offer flexibility and independence, but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.